Hello, trading is closed on May 31st, 2018. Last night we said that the failure to close over these highs was negative, and unless we did so promptly, trade over these highs promptly, we should see lower prices. We had a price target, the target printed, and as usual was a support level. During the day, MEJT said ultimately lower prices would print here, and that happened. This break was marked by the system as a false move. Prices were predicted to retrace, which they did, and there's nothing from the system carrying over till tomorrow. Tomorrow's pattern should be the one with the early low and the late high. It tends to rally into the close and close near the high as a positive bent to it, unless there's an early drop. Right now, we gapped down, hit these lows, couldn't close under the middle of the day lows. It's a positive pattern, and unless we promptly trade under these lows, ideally by gapping under them, higher prices should print. Here's where we stand. This isn't the only count, but I think it's the most likely one. If this is B, we should have an ABC coming up, and this last leg up, if in fact it starts tomorrow, has a pattern which is compatible with it being the end of the consolidation. Again, when you're consolidating, you can make these things say whatever you want to, but if this does hold, and we do have one more rally here, it would certainly make sense. It's a plausible place, at least for this consolidation to end. But as far as tomorrow's concerned, unless we take this low out early, looking for higher prices with a good chance of closing near the high, and that's today's call.